Random acts of kindness that will restore your faith in humanity. One professor was upset that all of his students had their Zoom cameras turned off one lesson. But that's when they all turned on their cameras, holding up a thank you message for their professor. The professor was overwhelmed and began crying. One day a Tennessee student's house burnt down, but then the next day at school all of his teachers and classmates surprised him with new toys. One day a teacher was doing the Student of the Month assembly. She was surprised when she looked down at the paper and saw her son's name. Her son had been away in the Air Force for months, but that's when to her surprise he came through the door and gave her a big hug. This car was stuck in floodwater, but that's when a truck pushed it out. This boy has been colorblind his entire life, but one day his principal, who is also colorblind, bought him some colorblind glasses.